everyone, today I am doing that ATE pump and the common problem in 3 series, 1 series, Z series pump. The codes coming like 5DF1 and 5DF0, the pump hydraulic pump motors and hydraulic pump motor connection failure. So this is the pump, so we can rebuild that one if you bring the car or you will bring the pump to me. I can ready pump like 2 to 3 hours. So that's the common problem, and when you try to diagnose it, and then you can see here this is the two codes coming here, 5DF0 and 5DF1. That's common problem, ABS DSC hydraulic brake system, and we can fix your problem. You will bring the car to us. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow. So my phone number is 07402536382, and we can solve your issue like couple of hours. You can drop the car and pick up same day, and car will be ready, and we give you the warranty as well. You can see my other video as well. So my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can call anytime. We are on WhatsApp, email, whatever you want, discuss with me what code is coming, send me the code through WhatsApp, and then we're gonna solve your issue. And if your pump someone repair before, we can do as well. So if you have any query, you can contact me. We repair all type of ECU, gearbox, DSG 7 speeds, and we can do A class, B class ECU, crash data reset, instrument cluster. So what you want to do, just call me and we're gonna give you the hand and come and bring the car or bring the ECU. We can solve your issue. You can see my all the details in the down's comments, and you can get my address, everything on there. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye, take care.